Welcome to the Healthy Hangout. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a birthday cake shake. The two main ingredients are going to be your Herbalife products. First one, Vanilla PDM, Cookies and Cream Formula 1. I'm going to teach you what I consider to be the easiest way to figure out your measurements for water and ice. First, you're going to take whatever cup it is that you desire to have your shake in at the end and fill it up with ice all the way to the rim. When we say the rim, we literally mean close to the rim, not super overflowing, like we don't want a dome over this. Next is our water. And I find that for the water, I just leave 1/4 of the cup without water in it once I've already put my ice inside of it. Notice how the water is right here and there's this much space without water. You don't need one of these fancy blenders. This just happens to be what we have at our nutrition shop. But when we're back home, we use a simple little like a Ninja Fit. It's like $40 some on Amazon. I can link it down below. But you don't need anything fancy to make a delicious shake at home. This is just what happens to work for us because we are blending hundreds of shakes per day. Water and ice goes in your blender jar. Ingredient number 1, Vanilla PDM. These come with a scooper inside, but I like to use the Herbalife ones. You can find them on their website, or you can order them from your upline distributor, whoever that is. But 2 scoops of your Vanilla PDM to make the birthday cake shake. Cookies and cream is our next item. Same thing, 2 scoops of this guy. Here at the bar right next to the blender, I have this nifty little setup that has all of our Herbalife dry pudding mixes, as well as some of our beverage mixers that we use to enhance our shakes and our teas. For the birthday cake, we use 1 teaspoon of the cheesecake flavor mix. As a distributor or a preferred member, you can find a lot of these products on the website. They come in these nifty little bags. They have somewhere around 140 some servings. For the beverage ones, you're looking at about 50 some servings. The next ingredient to make sure we have the perfect birthday cake shake is sprinkles. You can look for sprinkles anywhere online and maybe get the type that you like, whether it's a different shape, consistency, completely up to you, as well as finding some that are sugar-free. The last ingredient is sugar-free caramel. We personally use the syrup here at this shop. Herbalife does provide us with a dry flavoring mix as well that you can use instead of this. 2 squirts. Once you have all of your ingredients inside of the blender jar, it's time for the magic to happen. Personally, I like to keep it at like a low speed for the first 15 seconds, and then I slowly start to increase the speed as I'm listening and paying attention that all the little ice cubes are being crushed up before I move on to a higher speed. Once you've reached the highest speed of your blender, you typically just let it do that for a few seconds, and then you can stop it. That was about 45 seconds of blending, guys. Before we pour the shake into the cup, we're gonna go ahead and dress up this cup. And for anyone asking, we use a 20-ounce cup here. Step 1 is to cover the cup with sugar-free caramel sauce. Step 2 is to take some of these sprinkles and make the cup look really pretty. Now that we've dressed up our cup, let's pour our shake in. We have these awesome dome lids that we put on our cups here. And we like to dress up our shakes with a little bit of dairy-free whipped cream. Garnish the top with a few more sprinkles. Y'all know I had to get the green straw for Herbalife. And that's how simple it is to make a birthday cake shake out of your Herbalife Nutrition product.